Hi, boys and girls. Today for science, you're going to be doing a CER, well, really just the C and E, claim and evidence, to show all you learned in our traits unit. So let me go over the assignment just to clear anything up and explain exactly what you need to do. So like I said, today you're going to do a CER, but just the C and E parts. So remember, the C stands for claim. And when we do a claim, that's just really stating what you believe or your position in answering the question. And the E is your evidence. And that's when you back up what you believe with evidence either from the picture or the table or information. Open it. So you're going to be doing this on SEM scopes, and you'll see it under your assignments. I'm going to show you the printout version of it just because it's easier to go over and easier to see. But it's still the same directions on your end when you see it on SEM scopes. So let's see, it's a little bit slow. Okay. So we have our scenario. It says plants and animals have unique characteristics called traits. Traits can be inherited or caused by the environment. So remember, inherited is when it is passed along from your parents, right? Or grandparents. So that's when you get traits that are passed along. Or they can be caused by the environment. So that's when something happens to you or an experience that isn't passed along from your parents just when you're born. It's because of something that happened to you. It's caused by everything around you. So it says Abraham was looking at the different pictures of the plants and animals below and was trying to decide if their traits were inherited or caused by the environment. So we have a tree with a healed knob where a limb was cut off. Zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So if you could see here, the tree limb was cut off. Then we have an overweight cat who ate too much. Then we have a lion with a scar on his face. And then we have a flower with a broken stem. So right now in your mind, you should be thinking, were these inherited traits? Are they passed along from parents? Or is it caused by the environment? Something happened to all these plants and animals. So this is your job today. It says use just one of the pictures provided. Write a scientific explanation about whether these visible traits were inherited or caused by the environment. So pick one picture where you know for sure what it is. And you're going to say, was it inherited or caused by the environment? So in your claim, you will say, I believe the picture of the lion was blank, or I believe the broken flower stem is caused by what, or it was inherited, whatever you think. So you're just going to state what you believe, answer the question here, and then give evidence of how you know. All right. Remember, when you give evidence, you really want to use the pictures to help you, or what you know and what we've learned about inherited or environmental traits throughout this whole unit. And in your rubric, remember, you will be graded on if you make an accurate and complete claim, so having it in a nice sentence and answering it correctly. And then you need to provide two accurate pieces of evidence. So when you do your evidence, give me 2 ways you know why it is environmental and caused by the environment or inherited. All right, let me know if you have any questions as you do this. Good luck. I'm sure you guys will do awesome.